Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not sending two-step verification codes. First, ensure your linked email or phone number is absolutely correct. Always check your spam, junk, or promotions folders, as codes often land there. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Sometimes, codes can be delayed, so waiting a few minutes, perhaps up to 5, can resolve the issue. These initial checks are crucial for a quick fix. If the initial checks don't work, let's look at common issues. Confirm your email provider isn't blocking Roblox emails, add them to your safe sender list. Double-check your phone number's format, including the correct country code. A simple device restart can refresh network connections. If you've waited, try requesting the code again after a short break, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, to avoid overwhelming the system. For persistent problems, try some advanced troubleshooting. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or switch to a different browser entirely. Disable any VPN or proxy services, as they can interfere with code delivery. Temporarily turning off your firewall or antivirus might reveal if they are blocking the code. If all else fails, remember to check for alternative recovery methods, like using a backup code, which can be a lifesaver. If you've tried everything and still haven't received your code, it's time to contact Roblox support. Visit their official support page and provide detailed information about your issue, including your username and a clear description of the problem. Be ready to answer security questions to verify your account ownership. If you don't hear back within 24 to 48 hours, follow up on your support ticket for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.